So my name is Aditi and I studied Masters of Science in Electronic Engineering with Management, and now I'm working as an electrical engineer for cost optimization at McLaren Automotive. What students can expect from this course is a blend of technical knowledge in electronics engineering coupled with essential management skills that are required in the real world. You study the depth of electronics engineering if you want to get into core industry, and then you get essential management skills because you study operations management, project management, basics of management. So you get to apply all of that in the real world problems. The professors of the course are like superheroes. They are very knowledgeable, they're very supportive, and they always encourage students to be a part of research initiatives. They keep up to date with the latest advancements in engineering with management because they regularly publish research papers, they attend conferences, and they do collaborate with industries in the latest technology. So students get to be a part of their research, to attend conferences with them, and to be a part of their publications. So in that way we are technologically updated. So there was one specific module which is project management. We actually worked on preparing a project proposal. It's just not about textbook, it was more about applying what we are learning. I did the research project called the Supply Chain Simulator, where I studied and developed a system for supply chain traceability for electric vehicle batteries. So we basically studied the journey of an electric vehicle battery right from its raw material mining until it goes to the customer. I think in terms of finding employment after course, the King's Careers team does a phenomenal job. You know, they organize career fairs, networking events, and loads of workshops in resume writing and interviewing sessions. So they helped me a lot with the resume writing and the interviewing workshops, which really boosted my confidence during my final interview. The hands-on projects and the hands-on experiences that I had during the course, both in terms of applying the technical skills and the management skills, doing that here in hands-on has actually given me the confidence to tackle the problems in my career. It's different from what other universities offer. It's just for people who are looking for this specific, who have specific experience in electronics and who are sort of looking to get into a bit of management side. So this course is a perfect blend of both, keeping you on technical as well as management side. I had a bit of experience in the automotive industry before I joined the course, so I was actually looking to continue my career into the automotive industry. Why I joined this course was because I was from a completely technical background, and to go up in the industry you need to have a bit of management skills. So this course actually helped me, blend both of them together and put that into real life.